Keith Gornjack. I'm the operations manager for T.A.A.G, the All-American Garage. My truck is badass. It's right there. Like seriously, it's just killing me. It's right there looking at me. It looks awesome now. Wait till it gets done with all this stuff. It's gonna be insane.
So this is gonna be a rough install so we can scratch stuff and grind on it and cut it up. And then we'll take it all out and make it pretty and put it all back in. So I basically have to build this truck twice, and it's gonna be super fun. Let's get into this.
Oh. Everything is caked. They dipped the whole truck in plastic dip.
We knew we were doing this. He wanted it done so it wouldn't get all over the lift kit, which makes sense. Complain about a tire being too heavy.
A little bit, your rubber's a little too heavy.
Yeah, like they've been moving in here. I can see where it's worn. Oh wow. That is not good. I mean, I'll be honest, I was a little concerned about these not coming apart. God damn it! Oh, I'm hung up here. The undercoating was holding the washer on, which was stuck on the bolt.
I love Wisconsin.
Undercoating is a great thing. In another's eyes. Like pound the socket on, get the bolt off, wiggle the bolt out of the socket, clean the socket out so I can try and jam it on the next one. Just over and over and over. So we run into our first issue. This is one of those things when you have a truck that already has a lift kit, you're putting a different lift kit in that mounts differently, that you might run into. So looking at these diff drop mounts, and this is the McGaughys diff drop for the driver's side, which bolts to the factory diff drop that has been cut off because Rough Country makes you cut off the factory line. There's no fix for that. Aside from buying a new front differential. There is no other option. That's definitely something that we need to address immediately. Oh, that won't work anyway. The torsion bars are in the way because they're fucking stuck. So I can't test fit that yet. Wait, the torsion bars out first. Fuck you. Yeah, the ABS pump to be able to get to that bolt.
Takes me back, makes me wonder what she did now. What she's doing now, still.
Woo! Tracy missed the hard part. We don't want that anyway. We don't want to show people what a miserable time it was getting that out. A lot of hammering, some cutting. You know, I'm taking a lot of liberties here. I probably should have read the f***ing instructions.
What are you supposed to do?
Install using factory hardware. Okay, it's coming out. Just to make sure I don't have to modify the shit out of it, and then it's all coming out and it's getting powder coated. But I don't want to do the test fitting with it powder coated in a very, very expensive finish.
We were just talking from life experience. And you might as well get fancy dancy lowers and uppers.
They don't make them!
So no, I'm just the only OCD one?
Yeah, there's not enough of a market for people like you. Look how far we are. We didn't have to put the diff back in. Yeah. About getting this thing done. He's like, how many guys do you have over there? I was like, what? It's just me. He's like, what? I was like, yeah. Like, it's always just been me. He's like, no. Yeah. And he's like, how do you do all of it by yourself? I was like, great question.
Oh, look at this guy.
Holy shit. It's a hell of a loss today.
No, lots of days I don't come in. I'm only 8 hours late today.
So, we need a couple of things. The biggest one being the front differential.
Okay.
The one that's in here, they cut all the mounts off for the rough country kit, and all of the mounts that they cut off are the ones that are needed for the McGaughys kit.
Of course they are.
'Cause you can get these things at like a Cousino's for like $300, or new ones are like $1,500. So, yeah. The good news is, I mean, we don't need it for at least a week, if not 2.
Oh, no. It's like I'm a shitty truck owner all of a sudden. I guess, I mean, there's always surprises. God knows this build has been nothing but surprises.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I've got the whole front end out and the kit back in already, so.
Are you, what, really?
Yeah, and then I'll get the rear end in and together tomorrow, and then it'll all go off to powder coat. It's this weekend, so.
That front definitely doesn't bother me. Actually, we're still there. It's not like, hey, you need the whole axle.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, Banker, what are you doing out there? Nope. Bye.
Cutting, grinding, drilling all the shit. Now I gotta pull it all back out, send it out to powder coat, and then everything will be brass.
That's wild. You gotta install, uninstall, install, and tighten if you want to powder coat it.
I gotta try and get this side to line up. That's the problem. They stole all my shit and never brought it back. Yeah, that's. She's seized. We're buying new ones, John.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. I should probably have new ones anyway. So don't worry about that. I can start in the back. Update on the state is I really don't like doing this with all this undercoating on. It's super not fun, but I'm gonna do the rear this afternoon. Make sure all of that fits, and then we'll go from there. This is not an enjoyable experience. Super not enjoyable.